Okay, we're out here with the RV again. We're going to do another cold, or attempt to do another cold start. It's only about -5 Celsius, so it's not too bad. For our friends south of the border, that's about 24 Fahrenheit or so. So let's just see how this goes. Just put the battery back in it, and we'll see how. Flooded it a bit last time, but there she goes. She is running strong. Clear its throat a little bit, but there's the RPM. She fired right up. Good strong battery, voltage is up. So it wasn't that cold of a start, but it's been sitting kind of flooded a bit for about a week and a half since that last video we did. And so there we go, Chevy 454 big block 1976, 36,442 original miles. Well, I'll see you next time.